Welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to install reinforcements in column using Naviate Rebar Extension. So let's get started. First of all, click on Naviate Rebar Extension tool, then click on columns. So in the first section, geometry section, you can see the properties of the column which we have selected for reinforcement generation. Breadth of column and height of column, height of slab, height of beam, all properties are given in this section. Let's start with the vertical dowel bars. In the bar section, we will select the diameter of vertical dowels. So let's select number 10 rebar. For the hooks, we don't need to add any hook. If you want to add, you have two options, 90 degree and 180 degree on both top and bottom side. For the number of bars, let's select number 4 numbers on one side and 5 numbers on other side. And if you want to add the bundle bars in corner of the column, then you can select this option also and increase the number of bundles on corners of column. So we don't need this bundle bars in our column, so let's uncheck this one. Now go to stirrups section. First of all, we will select the dia of bar of stirrup. So normally that will be number 3. Second one, hook number 1, we are going to install 130 degree seismic, and for hook number 2 we are going to install 130 degree seismic. And for the cover, we have lots of option of cover. For this one we are going to use framing and column cover, which is normally 1.5 inch. Second one, we are going to select stirrup type. We have 4 options available in here, so let's select this normal stirrup shape. And for the distribution type, let's select this last option. For this one, you have to give the center to center spacing for top and bottom side and also for the middle side. So let's select for SN, which is the middle one. Let's select 8 inches, and for the top one and the bottom one, let's select 4 inches. And the distance which we are going to install this tense reinforcement, that must be 3 feet, bottom side and top side. If you want to add up to slab, you have to select this one. Otherwise, normally ties or stirrups should be installed up to bottom of beam. Now this is a normal stirrup reinforcement which we have added just now, but if you want to add additional reinforcement, additional stirrups, you have more options in here. Remember, if you install 2 number bars and 2 number bars, you cannot install additional stirrups. Let's check this one. If you just make 2 and 2 on both sides, the additional stirrups option is not available. But once you go to 3 bars and above, you have the option for additional stirrups. So let's make 5 bars on one side and 4 bars on other side, and go to additional stirrups section. So we have 5 bar on this side and 4 bars on this side. For the reinforcement on one side, additional reinforcement, just select the option from here. We have lots of type of ties and stirrups. So let's select one which is matching with your design. Let's select this one for our design, which is 1 tie and 1 stirrup. For the other side, we don't have 5 rebars on that side, we have only 4 rebars. So either we can install stirrup or tie, or we can install the double hook tie. So So let's select this stirrup, this type of stirrup. We just need to install this one. And for the setting of these stirrups, you can select the hook type and other things. After going to modify section, in here you can select the stirrup shape and hook shape, and orientation also can be changed from this area. If you change the orientation, the orientation will be changed like this one. Also for the tie, if you want to modify, you can select the other type of tie. We don't need to change this one, we just need this type of reinforcement. Next we are going to go to install the dowels. These are not the main dowels which we have previously set. These are the additional dowels. If you want to add additional dowels, you just go to this section and select the desired number of dowels and length of dowels. Also the dowel type, you can install these two, which is the shortening of breadth and width of column. For this one you can select this type, and the properties are also given, so you just need to change these properties and the desired shape can be achieved. So in here we just install the additional dowels on top, and for the length of these dowels we just need to add the coefficient. In here by default 40 multiplied by dia, this dimensions is given. We just need to change it, for example 60 dia. And for the stirrups on the dowels, if you want to install stirrups on the dowels, so normally in the pouring time, if you pour the column, the vertical dowels should not disturb, so you install some additional reinforcement or stirrups on these dowels. So the number of rings can be adjusted in here, and also the stirrup type can be adjusted. After setting these section, we will go to reinforcement area. In today's video we will just introduce what is the function of reinforcement area section. For example, we have parametric reinforcement which is applied in our previous setting is given in here. After the section to section, we have 10 sections and we have 10 areas for this reinforcement, and for the top area we have installed additional dowels, so the area of reinforcement on B side is increased. Let's suppose we have the design criteria and we have design criteria of 6.7 square inches. We just write it here, and our reinforcement is exceeding from 6.7, which means it is okay. But if you add 8, the parametric reinforcement section goes red, which means the reinforcement is not achieved up to design level. So this is the function of this table, and for that one you can upload the external data, or you can set the results which are not available yet. So in the next coming videos we will cover this section also. After this one you just need to click OK, and the Naviate will generate the reinforcement in the column. As you can see, the reinforcement of column are in perfect shape, and also for the dowels and the dowel rings which we applied are all set on the position. If you want to look clearly, you can select this and then filter up the structural rebars, then unselect the undesired portion like footing and other things. Just select this reinforcement which we applied just now, and then go to, in the property section, go to view visibility states and click on edit. Now click on unobscured and view as solid in front of 3D view and click on OK. Now the reinforcement will be shown clearly in the realistic view. As you can see, the reinforcement can be shown, also the dowels, and the reinforcement of stirrup is applied up to bottom of beam, and after that dowels will be installed and the reinforcement rings are installed on the dowels. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.